I didn't fix my camera yet. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how my camera looks. Yeesh, and that white balance. Let's fix that real quick. There we go. Right about there. Cool. Alright. Hey guys. What is up? Ah, fix that. Nope, that way. Cool. Hair good? Eh, whatever. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome. Another stream, another week over, and hopefully it was a productive week for you. Fix that. Yeah. Yeah. Lots of things happening in the world of Webflow. I mean, we're getting a lot of things done behind the scenes. And I told you guys on the last stream that we're working on getting out the CSS grid, and we announced that we tweeted that out I think Wednesday, and we put out a link for the exclusive Crowdcast stream. And this is the first time that we're almost full. We're almost filled up on the signups. So you can't watch. Well, we'll probably stream it on YouTube as well. But the CSS grid preview is happening this Tuesday. And here's the thing. A little sneak peek for you guys who are here. For you, Daniel, Steven, Donald, and Paulino. Yeah, for you guys who are here live. You hear it first live. We're gonna stream it from the new Webflow HQ video production studio. Yeah. Oh, sorry, my ring. So it's gonna be looking so pro, man. Like you've seen me stream from here, from my room, from my home office, and we're doing it big with this one. And there's 225 people who signed up on the Crowdcast link so far, and once we hit 250, that's it. We cap it. Alright? And so only those people who are signed up on the Crowdcast link, those are the people who can ask questions live. For the people in the YouTube channel, there's just gonna be too much chatter there that it's like, okay, you can't ask your questions. I mean, it's hard to get to all the questions, and I know we're gonna get a lot of questions. And let me see here. Can I go to the Crowdcast link right now? Crowdcast. Logged in. Or is it gonna tell me to sign up? Hold on. Okay, cool. I'm logged in. Yeah. Let me turn off this music. We're done. Yeah. Okay. Let me show my desktop. Bam. 225. That is nuts. So yeah, the team's been working hard on that. Hopefully, you guys are signed up as well. If not, please, there's 25 spots left. Please sign up now. Go to, I'll put the link in the chat room. Wait, how do I? No, I'm on the wrong computer. Hold on, let me do it. Yep, found it. Okay, cool. Sign up there if you haven't already, and please ask your question now so you can get in on it first. Alright, so we're going to be answering questions based on how many upvotes. And if you look here, if you click on ask a question, then you can vote on which one you think should be answered first or is similar to your question. Okay, like this person already said, can you use the grid style can you use grid to style a navbar, or is it just for the body of the page? I've already answered this one. Will there be a recorded version to revisit this by any chance? So yeah, obviously. And so yeah, there's already 4 questions, so please get your question in now. All right, so that's this week in Webflow. Ooh, I like that. This week in Webflow. I'm gonna see if I can just coin that right now. this week in Webflow. But yeah, so what are we doing today? I want to do two things. One, I saw this forum post right here by FTA Veras, and he put this dribble link, and it's this. And again, with dribble, it's hard to tell if they're real because most of the time people who make stuff for web are using After Effects, so obviously it's not real. But they're nice concepts. And so when I saw this, and he was like, what did he say? What did he say? How do I create this type of animation? It's driving me crazy. Please help. And I'm like, that's got to be easy. That's got to be easy. And I took 5 minutes to do it. And I was like, that was easy. And you can already clone it right here, but I want to do it for the stream to show you how I built it from scratch. It is not that hard. All right. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Second, Time Hero. So this person, Scott, yeah, he DM'd me on the United Designers Slack channel. I'm part of like a lot of communities on Slack, and so he DM'd me and said, hey, I love Webflow. We just launched our new site. Let us know what you think about it. And I was like, this is beautiful, you know, and let's just take a scroll down, shall we? So it's nice and clean at the top, okay? You clear call to actions, okay? And you scroll down, beautiful illustrations. These are really cool. These are very nice. It has a texture, but it's still flat. But the gradients add more depth to it. And so yeah, and then this line, it makes you want to scroll down. It's you're going on a journey with them, and then you can immediately see how the tool, the thing that they're selling, how the tool works, and you're like, oh, okay, that's pretty cool. And then you scroll down and you're following the paper airplane. Paper airplane is part of the story, and you get down here and you learn more about its features. All right. And then after he showed it to me and I was done scrolling down, I was like, wow, you know what this could really do? You could really use, besides it's really clean already. It's awesome. But you know what's missing? Animations, interactions. And so that's what we're going to do. That's the second thing we're going to do. And third thing, if you want to see something quickly done inside of Webflow, if I can, I don't mind showing it. If you have a question like, hey, how do you do this? Or I saw this on Dribble. Is this possible? Yeah, let me know in the live chat room. Okay. But thank you guys so much for being here live. And if you're just watching a recording, I stream every other day, and I try to. The next time I'll stream probably Sunday, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'm not too sure about it. But let's get into it. Let's do the split. All right. So I'm looking at the split, and the first thing that went through my mind when I saw this, I was like, this has to be the mouse position interaction, okay? Because it's reacting to the mouse position, okay? And here was my finished product that I've already done. Let's go to it. Yeah, not too hard. And as I look at this kind of has a delay. So I'm thinking to fix that, to do it more that way, I'm going to try to do a smoothness. I'm going to set the smoothness to like 100% or something. Okay, so let's do something like this. Not too hard. All right, let's go. Where is it? Okay. Let me just take the same split. And then, yeah, I'll take the same project, and then I will go ahead, make a new page. Let's just call this stream. All right, let's go. So, let's see here. First thing I did was I brought in a section, and then let's just make this, for everything, I'm just going to call it S for stream, and then whatever. Can you click, hey Unicorn Factory, thanks for leaving a comment in my other video. Can you click on that shopping cart button? I cannot. I don't know if you know this, Unicorn, but I actually do work for Webflow as a customer success specialist, and that's how I have early access. I'm helping testing it internally, but lots of big things are coming, and I'm gonna let our product manager and the marketing team explain it better than I can, okay? Because the product manager, who's been in charge of the team working on it, knows every ins and outs of it. So me trying to explain the story, explain every solution, every use case that it can handle, I can't do that. But I can do a stream live with the product manager whenever we are ready to tell more about it. But yeah, it's coming. It's coming soon. And as you can tell, it's on the toolbar, so it is coming soon. We want to give it out to you guys, but not yet. Want to make sure that the bugs are cleaned off. All right, so let's do this. So we have my wrapper here. I'm going to set it to flex, and I want to leave it as default. And now I'm going to drag in a div block. Yeah, no problem, Unicorn. Yeah, you have to try. It doesn't hurt to ask. Totally understand. I love the enthusiasm. Again, it's worth the wait. As with Interactions 2 was worth the wait, and the CMS was worth the wait, and Webflow was worth the wait. Don't worry, we'll get it to you. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna call this call, okay, for column, and I'm gonna expand that. Actually, no, I didn't expand it. What I did was I went to the cog right here, and I set the. Did I set the basis? No, I left it to shrink. So it's default, and I set the width to 50%. Okay, I know I can do that with expand, but I'll tell you why later. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste, and now we have two columns. Okay, this one and this one, and so let's make this scall1, s1, and I'm going to set this to flex as well because I want to put text inside of it. Cool, and we'll call this this is for you, Unicorn Factory. So Unicorn, and then copy paste. Oh wait, I didn't let me remove this real quick. I want this scall to be, hey, hello. That was weird. Okay, there you go. Unicorn Factory. Okay, and now S1 doesn't need flex layout because it's already applied on the scall. But S1, we're going to give it a background, and this we're going to give it that. Give it any background image we want. Okay, center it, cover it. Good. Now we're going to set an overlay. And the overlay, we're going to make it a little bit blue, like that. Like that. Oh, and let me change the color of the text. So I'm choosing a higher selector. We're going to make this white. There we go. Now this is for S2. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Background. Give it a cover, centered. And we're going to do an overlay. So we are good to go here. Okay, Unicorn Factory right there. Now, both of them are 50%. So here's the trick, okay? Let's go to our S wrapper and add an interaction. And we're going to do mouse move over element. We're going to select the action, play mouse animation, make a new one. I'm going to call this stream interaction. Okay. And now I'm going to select column 1 and do size. Okay, so X 0% is here, X 100% is here. And so at 0%, when I move the mouse this way, this should move this way. So I'm going to set the width to 85%. And set this one back to 50%. So it's kind of laggy, which is weird, but when you preview it, It's all good. So we're already halfway there. We just need to do the same thing with factory. Okay, so we go here. Now we do the backwards. So move. This one will become... Hold on. Not move. Size. Hold on. So 85 and then 50. Okay, so this one right here will be 50 on the size. 50%. And then when it gets to here, it'll be 85%. And then you can do these percentages however you want. But this is what I did. And now I'm done. I told you it's fast. Alright. And now another way you can use this is those comparison. Like if you had like the same photo, but like one is like grayscale and one is... Oh, yeah. You know what? Let me just do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like, have you ever seen those before and after sliders where you, like, slide it and you have to, like, click and drag the center part and then you can, like, kind of window wipe what it looks like before and after type of thing? So let me try that right now, okay? So I've never done this, but I'm guessing it's just the backwards of it, okay? So let's do this. Let me get this. This one will be 50. And then... this one will be, let's go 99. Okay, it doesn't go all the way, but yeah. Let's get this one, and this one starts at 99, and then it goes to 50. So let's see what happens. So almost, right? And then I can just fix the backgrounds. Because they're pushing against each other with the percentages. So something like that. Oh, wait, no. Okay, I think the other way is just keep... Huh. Okay, I can keep this fixed as a fixed image. No. Alright, I'm going to duplicate this page so I don't lose what I just had. So... Actually, I already have it here. So why do I even need to... Alright, let me fix this real quick. I know I'm going in two different directions. I'm sorry. This is how my brain works. Let me finish this off so I can have that smoothness, like I said. And then we'll do a comparison thing. Okay. Focus. Here we go. Yeah, I need to add the easing effect. Let's go. So this is on the homepage. This is the one I did before the stream on the forum. So here we go, smoothing. Boom, 100%. That's it. Oh god, that's slow. Okay, I thought that was the answer. Kinda? Let's go 85. Almost. 90? Oh, okay. Yeah. 95 or something. How come 100 just felt so horrible? Okay, now it's starting to feel a little bit laggy. So it's probably like 93. I'm gonna go 92 because I'm unsure. And so the easing effect with the background images, though, that's something different. Yeah. I think I got it close enough. Well, there you go. All right, let's do comparison. I'm gonna use this one right here for the comparison. So, what I'm thinking is... you just have one column that's 50% and then it goes to 100% based on the X of the mouse. Okay, so let's try this. What am I gonna do? Okay, so this right here I'm gonna delete. We have scall. This S wrapper right here, I'm gonna set it to position relative, and because I'm trying to set a background So let's go ahead and put this here. We'll call this before. Okay, and it's gonna just stick to the back. Okay, it's full, and we'll set a background to cover. Yeah, we'll set this one, and we'll set this to grayscale because this is like the before-ish. Cool, done. And now this S-call right here, let's make sure that it's on top using z-index and position relative. And now I need to make sure that the background is the whole thing. Ah? How come it's not like... No. No. Why? No repeat. Oh, I do need the cover. Oh, wait. How come that... I'm confused. Oh, I get it, I think. So what I have is cover and fixed, and we're good. Yeah? Okay, so what happens if this gets to 100%? 90. That's it. So we're gonna start this off at 50, and then based on the X, we can do the Windows. Yeah, I knew what I was doing. No, I do not. Let's remove the overlay, and now we. Oh, that's so cool. All right, let's fix the interaction right here. That caution symbol means that, hey, it's something's missing. So FYI, what I learned from Twitter from Peter, and Peter's not here tonight, but what I learned from Peter blew my mind. You can right click on this. You can right click on this and change the target to something else. And I'm like, why didn't I know this? I never knew about this. That's amazing. Wait, how come I can't delete? What's going on? Oh, reset the game. Reset. What happened? Alright, we're back. Alright, let's just delete all of this so we don't crash. Okay, we're good. Just a simple refresh. Alright, let's fix this. Click on this. Let's do the size. Size is at 0%. It's... Actually, no. At 0%, it should be 0%. Alright, let's leave a little sliver. We'll say 2%. Yeah, there. Like that. 1%. Okay, cool. And then at 100%, it should be 99%. And then that's it. Done. So you don't need the click and drag sliders. You just need the mouse movement, and there you go. And just lay the image on top of each other. Whoop. And I like this curve. Makes it look fun. Well, that was fun. Alright, and as always, you can clone this. Yeah, so clone it off of webflow.com/pixelgeek. Take it. Have fun. Would be really useful for your clients' sites in the future, like if they have a before and after thing, you know, like if they do landscaping, that would be really cool. You know, you take a before and after picture, and then the front yard looks meh, and then the contractor fixes it up, and it's like, oh, it's so beautiful before and after. Yeah, something like that. Okay, cool. That was fun. Anything else on? Nope. Okay. All right, so this guy right here. Let's go play. Let's go play. Let me pull that up real quick. So Scott is the co-founder of this company, and I asked him, can I duplicate the project, and he said sure. Oh, Peter's here. What's up? Yeah, I was just telling you about the tip that you taught me, which then I showed to everyone else in the stream. Never knew about it. Yeah. Thank you for being here, Peter, and thank you for the tip. So let me close that. Close that. Cool. Yeah. So again, here's their homepage, and I told them, wouldn't it be cool if it had some cool animations? Okay. And the first one I thought of, and I actually showed him, was, since this guy it looks like he's thinking about these tasks. Like, to me, since it says task management, my brain is thinking these are tasks, because it's like, here's one task. Oh, I can check it off my box. I'm done. This task, I'm still waiting for something. So yeah, what if they would fall down to these spots? Because it's like you're getting these thoughts and they come to you. So that was my thought of that interaction. So let's go ahead and make that happen. So here is a copy of it. And again, thank you to Scott of timehero.com for letting me take a copy and just playing around. Let me see here. Let me replace this image with... Okay, so it's badly cut. All these things are badly cut because I just photoshopped them out. So, yeah, like, so badly cut. But there you go. Alright, so I'm going to select the container hero. And again, good job to the design team of Time Hero. And I'm not editing their live site. This is just a copy. But yeah, so I'm going to set this position to relative so I can make some things go on top, make it float on top. So I'm going to call this task thingy. And I'm guessing the width is like something like 250. And we're going to like push everything out, like, let's say 10. I think I did 10. And let's go ahead and get the border. Oh, I don't have the Webflow Chrome extension. Not on my PC. Cookie, bro. What? Here we go. Let me go get it real quick. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Good to go. Cool. I'll have to refresh. Yep, with Webflow, you always learn something new every day, and that's why that's why I'm such a big fan, because like it just never ends. And then like Webflow is now pushing the boundaries. Like, we kind of pushed the edge of web design with Flexbox, but now we're doing it with CSS Grid. Like, we're going even further. There we go. Oh, I already have the swatches here. I forgot. I don't need this then. Well, whatever. I think it's this one. Is it? No, it's the lighter blue. That one. There we go. Now let's make this 3 and... Cool. So inside of here, there's going to be 2 columns. So I'm going to make my columns with Flex. And never use this anymore. And the first thing is going to be a circle. So I'm not going to make the clock or the check marks. I'm just going to make a basic circle. So basic. Luke, what is up? How you doing? What is the Chrome extension for? Oh, it's the eyedropper tool. So if you click on here, you can, like, I want to get this color. Boom. Got it. Done. 50%. The circle could be like 25, 25. Ooh, it's too small. 3535. You okay? My dog's... Yeah, you good? Alright, he's good. Alright, so we have that circle there. Cool. Now let's get another div. And in this div, let's go ahead and expand it. We'll call it task lines. Let's get some padding up in there. Probably like 10. That's cool. And the first task line, we'll just make the height like 10 pixels. Round that out with like 10 and make the background like that. No, probably slighter. Yeah, like that. Cool. So we have a task line. Oh wait, it's not. Let me fix the thing here. Task thingy. Task. Yeah, it's not supposed to be at the top. It's not supposed to be stretched. It's supposed to be centered. There we go. So I can copy paste. So I can copy paste this, and we'll call this task line 2, but the width is gonna be like, I don't know, 80. Sure. Push that away. Right there. 6. Cool. And there we go. We have one of our tasks. So it's just like this. Ooh, it needs more space on the sides. Let me fix that. 20. Good to go. Okay, 15. 15. 15. Okay, cool. Now, let's animate the thing. You guys are awesome in chat room. So that's what I love about the Webflow community. Always spreading love, always encouraging each other to learn something new. Because it's not a zero-sum game. We're all here to make a living, and there's enough websites and enough clients to go around. You know, everyone needs a website, and I feel like more and more people are leaving Facebook, and so more and more people are going to need their own website and their own way to post news about their business and whatnot in their own blog or a section on their site, you know? So there we go. Okay, so we have a task thingy. Let's go ahead and... How many of those? So 3, right? So let's go ahead and put 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool. And each task thingy is position position absolute. The top... Where'd it go? Why are you all the way up there? No, 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 no. I thought I made you position relative. There we go. Yeah, it's a win-win. Spencer, what is up? Making me want a cup of coffee, but it's way too late. Yeah, way too late. Yeah, I mean, if you're sleepy, go to sleep, man. I don't want to stop you from sleeping. You can always catch the replay, but thank you so much for being here live. All right, so this is task thingy. So I have 3 of them. They're all on top of each other. So let's go ahead and let's add some drop shadow real quick. I know none of these have drop shadow, but I want to add a little bit. So where's all the lights coming from? So light is coming from here, as you can tell from the gradients. So it's coming from there, So, but there's light coming from up here too. All right, so I'm just gonna do this then. Gonna do that. Subtle, and we're done. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. All right, add interactions to this guy. Where do I want the trigger to be? Okay, I want the trigger to be here. So as I scroll down, those task thingies will fall on that guy's head. That's all I want. So I'm going to take this container and apply interaction to it while scrolling in view. Create a new animation, and let's see here. Okay. Gonna start a new animation and be like task thingies. Okay. Now let's select the first task thingy. And I don't think we're at 0, so let me just double check. So we're at 0? Oh, yeah, see? We're at 2. So I'm going to start at 2. And the reason why I know is because, see, you can, as you can see right here, we're already seeing the element. So that's why it starts at 2. So keyframe, start at 2. Task thingy should move up. Should be right about here. Okay? And then when I move down to here, where am I at? So we move down to here, 42. Task thingy should be on top of the guy's face. Not face, I mean head. Oh, wrong thing. 2, and this one should be 42. And there we go. And so this move on the Y should be about here. It should, okay, cool. And let's move it on the X as well a little bit, right there. And we can start at 0 on here. So here's how we're animating so far. So it's going to start here and there. Simple. Okay. Now let's add more flavor to it. Press plus. Let's add some rotate. And let's see here. What do I want to do? Keep it fun. We'll do it like that. We'll do a rotate. When I get down to here, is it? Yeah, it rotates the other way. So something like this. Okay, so it's supposed to fit there. So let me fix the move. So something like this. So let's see it happen. There you go. So it's like, boop. Actually, it needs to be lower. Let's see if it's like that. Oh, that's on him. No. Not good. Right there. No, it's still on him. It's probably... Oh, it's supposed to be on the X further. Like further up. Okay, I'm not going to try to do it like exact, but you know what I'm trying to go for. Okay, and last thing, we don't want to see the task right away. We're going to set the opacity to 0 and set that to 100 when it gets done. And so now we have this task thingy just floating out of mid-thin air. And it's like, oh, I have a task on my mind. There. Maybe some flames. Maybe some flames. No. No. You don't want no fires on this? Alright. Next task. So that easy. So let's just rinse and repeat. So this one, let's start it at 6. And it finishes at 40. I'm trying to make it, can it be staggered or should it be staggered? Let's try 6, yeah. Let's go to the move. Start at keyframe 6. Hey. Keyframe. There you go. Keyframe 6. And the X should be like somewhere further. And then up like that. And then when you're done, where are we at? Yeah. When we're done, it should be down here. And move. What? Whoa. And moved over like this. right? Yeah. Alright, cool. And so, oh wait, no, not on 42. This should be 40, 46. Cool. And now for this one, let's go ahead and rotate again. Okay, so that's the ending, so it should be like this. Oh no. So we'll start it this way. There you go. And then with the rotate here, is this right with the move? It is. Okay, let's fix that. Cool. I'll take that. And then lastly, let's go ahead and opacity 0, opacity 0, or 100. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, I need to fix that. Doesn't it be 0? Wonder why it's not 0 right now. Maybe it should happen sooner. I can fix that. So maybe it should happen sooner. So all of these, maybe they can happen at 32. And then these can happen. Why is that 3? 32. And then all of these could happen at 36. Let's check them out. That feels much better. Cool. Can we fix this one right here? What's up, man? What's up with you? Opacity 0. Should I start this at 0 then? Why? Okay, start at 4 then. If you're gonna be like that. There we go. Oh, you still see it. So everyone's starting at 6? Yep, everyone's starting at 6. But it's okay because it's still staggered effect. Because one ends shorter than the other. Alright, let's keep going. Last one. Oh, jeez. Task thingy. Plus move. Let's move that away. Something like that. Press plus. Oh, not here. Okay, so this is looking for the ending. So I'm going to move at 30, at 40. Keyframe 40. And so the move is going to be right about here. And the Y is going to be right about here. Let's go ahead and add a rotate. Something like that. Add a rotate here. So yeah, just rinse and repeat. Nothing too big. Cool. Move it. Nice. Alright, and lastly, opacity. 0. 100. Voila. So now it adds a little bit more depth because, like, alright, cool. Alright, now I'm going to scroll down. Oh, things are moving. Okay, I'm going to keep scrolling. Yeah, that's pretty fun right there, right? And then you just keep going and you're like, cool. So there you go. It's like probably like 10 minutes of work, 15 minutes of work, but it adds so much more flavor to it. Okay? Not too bad. And then if you want to go even further, you know, you can even do a thing where the circle, like, I'm trying to explain it and it's in my head, but now I have to do it because I'm like, rather than explain it, just do it. I always do this to myself. Alright. Here's what well, that was okay. So here's what I mean. Let's just do this. So the circle is not here. It's actually let's scale it up. It's so weird when it does that. And let's go ahead and scale it down to 1 when it gets here. But this happens at like keyframe 40. This happens at keyframe 40. And then also the opacity 0. And the opacity here is 100. So I mean, you can play around with every little thing. That was very subtle, but you can see right there. So something like that, where you can see like the circle comes in and then the check mark comes in, you know, or the circle comes in and then the lines fill in from width size 0 to 100%, 0 to 75 or 25% for the second line. So yeah, yeah, this is so much funnier than Flash ActionScript. I know, right? Web animation is such an art, trying to strike the balance of flow and playfulness without feeling unnecessary. Yes, that is hard to do. Ethan, what's up, man? Glad you're here. I call it Michael Baying. If you put animations for no reason, but just for like effects and explosions, and it doesn't really help tell the story, then you're Michael Baying your site. There needs to be a point. So like I said before I even started animating, my thought for this was these tasks are in his mind, and the reason why he needs Time Hero is a way to organize his mind. And so that's why this paper airplane is like a way to, here's the path to organization. That's what the airplane means to me. And so these are his thoughts. It's coming into his head. And that is the reason, the story behind this animation. If you don't have a story, then rethink what you're doing. Or J.J. Abrams' lens flare. Can you add a huge lens flare? I don't want to take time to do the gradients, so can you find me a lens flare? And I'll watch my DMs this time. Can you find me a lens flare PNG, and I'll just throw it on here and make it go swoosh for no reason, but just to have a swoosh. Okay. Cool. Such a beautiful site. Don't ruin it. Well, this is just a copy of it, so I can do whatever I want. Say you add perspective to these two, except this is flat style graphics. I know, you can do so much. You can rotate it in 3D, and yeah, okay. So that's one of the things I want to do. The second thing I wanted to try is, how can I make people think that they're following this line? And so it's like, this is gonna be tough, but I'll you know me. If you know me, I throw myself challenges, and I'm like, whoa, what did I do? I broke it. Okay, so I'm guessing this right here, this big image is what's pushing it down. Yeah, the height's like 2,000. Oh, okay, so the width and the height is auto. Okay, so okay, they added a width here, so I'm guessing if I make the width smaller, yep, okay. So I just need to go here and just use the same height. And put that there, put that there. Hero image connector, right? Is that the name? Let me just copy it. There we go. Paste. And oh yeah, the height doesn't go with it. So what's the height of it? I need to know the height. Cause it's like, it's ratio. So if it's 12, okay, what's the natural? Ugh, I have to get out my calculator. Calculator. Unless someone wants to do the math for me. So 2610 minus 1240 equals 1370. Okay. So 2922 minus 1370. So 1552 is my height, I'm guessing. So let's get that. 1552. Oh, am I doing this right? Okay, cool. Hero connector and then 1552. Did I do it right? So I want to do a thing like, have you ever seen in a movie where the plane is following the dot, like you the viewer are following the dots, the path through a treasure map or something like that? I want to try that. Can it work? I don't know. I'm gonna try. So what I did was I went here and I just cut it up, and I took this one right here, lines right, and so I took those lines. It's probably not gonna fit it perfectly, but again, I'm willing to try. So let's see here. This image, where are you at? Okay, so I can't really see it because it's behind, so that's fine. We'll just call this dotted lines. And let's make it position absolute to the right. And it's on top of everything. So I think I broke it. Wait, where's my position? Hello? Wow, why is my computer lagging? Oh, it's because of this video. Okay, let me throw away this video real quick. X. There we go. Let me go to another page. Create it. Paste. There you go. And I'll come back to you later, so I can stop lagging. There we go. Yeah, my processor's doing well now. Okay, cool. Huh. So why so far up? So the hero connector. Maybe this doesn't have a... There it goes. Yep, it needs position relative. Okay. And let's go ahead and make this one position relative as well and push that up. Oh. Now my task thingies are gone. I just need a position relative all the things. Task thingy. See you next. 1, 2. There we go. Cool. 3. That's fine. Let's make sure that I didn't break anything. That goes there. Okay, cool. I want you to follow. Oh, well, that's cool. It kind of makes you feel like you're following. I was gonna do an animation, but I don't think the animation is needed when you do it like that. When it's all huge. Hold on. How do I... Okay, width. I'm guessing 1280. 1080. So I guess what they had worked. So never mind. Hold on, let me just go through here. Yeah, I guess it worked. So never mind. I'm dumb. What I was trying to do is like, what if it can follow later? But this actually makes sense in second thought. Alright, sorry for wasting everyone's time. One more thing I wanted to try to do with this one is, what if the plane can like actually fly? And so I want to try the plane flying. Do you want to put it in here? Connector screen, no shadow. Sure. Something like this. Whoa, I'm breaking stuff. Okay. I'm gonna set it to this one. Set this one position relative. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna set the airplane to fly out. So I just cut out this. Which one? Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do is have this plane in a div right here, and then I'm gonna rotate it so it looks like it's like that my other slider where I learned how to rotate in a circle. That's what we're gonna do. Same exact thing here. So let's go ahead and do it. Plane holder. Okay, cool. Okay, and this one's gonna go position bottom left. Okay, and this plane right here, we're gonna make it small. I think it's, yeah, there you go. Okay, and this plane holder right here, we need to make it bigger. So let's say like 500 by 500, and we'll set this one to bottom left. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, if you watch here on the rotate, I'm just gonna make it fly. So basically that. So let's see, can it go from behind the video, which would be really cool, from behind the video, and then flies out and does that thing and stops. Michael, what's up? Hey Nelson, I'm always the lone viewer on Twitch. Oh yeah, I'm streaming on Twitch, I forgot. Yeah, but like the restream chat room always like is slow. Let me go on the restream chat. Yeah, I don't get many viewers on Twitch, so like I'm not really there. I can't load it up. I have to log in. I don't want to take too much time. But yeah, welcome to the YouTube family. Not many web designers on Twitch. Most are coders. If you like look for web design, like they're mostly coding. And maybe I should try to break through that. I don't know. And plus on Twitch, the videos only get saved for what, 2 weeks or something, and then they get automatically deleted, which makes sense. But on YouTube, it stays forever. So, all right. So what was I doing? I don't want to put the video yet because it lags my computer. So let's just pretend the thing is there. Here, let me actually put or let's put a YouTube video. Or save the video, not sure. Let me just put a gray box, just represent the video. Video player. And height 100%. There you go. And then it's all like pop, pop. And there you go. Okay, and this video player, let's put it on top of the plane. There we go. And so what I want the plane to do is pop out of there. So let's throw it out here and throw it down. Throw it down. So we don't have the lines with it, but that's fine. Okay, so it needs to be like that. And so when I do the rotate, yes, look at that. Oh wait, wrong way. And so as you're scrolling down, it's rotating on the Z, and then it stops here, which then tells the user, hey, you're already down here, let's look at more features. So yeah, this animation continues the story, and it's not Michael Baying anything because that's a point. It's like, hey, it's fun, now you're down here, cool. So darn neat. I know, it's so simple. It's just let's rotate on the Z. So we're gonna start it, leave it like that, and let's go. Let's which element do we want to use as a trigger? Hero. We'll use this, yeah, the hero. Okay, and we'll have to find out where we are, which percentages we are. So let's go here. I think we should start the animation right here. So let's go ahead and create a trigger while scrolling in view. Play scroll animation. Let's see here. Paper plane. And let's press plus. Nope. Let's get the plane first. Plane holder. Press plus, move, and let's just live preview. Okay, so right here, right about here we should start. So 59. Okay, cool. Keyframe 59. And then I want to make sure where 100 is. And then let's do it right there, 74. Oh no, 59. And this one's 74. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I got it right. Okay, so at 59, right here, I want the... Oh, not move. Rotate. So rotate on 59. What are you doing? You're over here. Ready to fly. And then 74, you're gonna be down here. And we're done. That easy. Let's press play. So, my thoughts, they're so jumbled in my head. I need a tool to help me. Well then, I have the tool for you. So cute. Jeez. Little things get me. Okay. I was gonna do animations of these, but it's the same thing as the one at the beginning. So I mean, if you're just watching a recording, rewind, play that one, and apply it to this. Simple. Have it fade into opacity. I don't think it needs to fade in, because it's like, oh, I just had a thought. I can just duplicate that and do the same exact thing, but it's starting, we can do that opacity. So 0 opacity here, and then 100 when it gets to here. And then, yeah, so 0, 100, and then it's 100 all the way down when it gets to here. And we could set the anchor to somewhere around here, so it's going in a circle this way. That'd be cool. So you're following the plane, right? And then when you get here, it's a different plane, but you think it's the same one. Yeah, because it's hiding behind the curtain. Good idea. Good idea, Luke. I like it. Let's play. Let's play. Easing? Is there easing in... Oh, there is. So let's see here. Which one? Out quad? Out quad. Let's try it. Can't really tell the easing when it's scrolling effect. Well, kind of right here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can. Right. Let's see if we can put another plane and be done with this part. So plane holder, I'm going to copy paste. So this is second plane holder, and let's make this plane holder 2. And we're going to push it to the top right there. Yeah. Ooh, non. Auto. What am I doing? Oh, so this is the big box. So this should be top right. Yeah, okay, top right. And let's throw it. Oh wow, not a number. That's what non means. Toss it over here a bit. It's probably not going to be exact. Maybe throw some height out on it. So the center is probably going to be like here-ish. So what I can do is set the transform to like here, or say 35. So we can try rotate and see what happens. Oh, something like that. I mean, will you guys take it? Let's see here. Maybe. Playing around with the height. The reason why I'm playing around the height is because I'm trying to, the transform origin, I'll have to play with that too. And again, man, if you had to code this and you didn't have a real-time like editor like Webflow, I mean, man, really? You'd be so mad playing with all these numbers. Because you'd be like, is it 53? Is it 54? Is it like, I don't know where the transform origin is. Like, man, so good. Alright. Now I can test it. Oh, that's close enough, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm keeping that one. Keeping that one. Border contrails. 5 pixel dotted. I didn't know you can do that. Does everything still line up on bigger or smaller screens? I'll feel like I'll never get the hang of it. Yeah, so I'm using pixels. I'm using straight pixels. I'm not using percentages. So yeah, it might not work on all size screens. But this is just the experimentation, and if I had even more time, you know, I'd probably make it fluid. If the client really wanted it, I'd make it work, you know? So that's so cool. So we're gonna start here. Actually, no, you have to set it to 0, because here's the thing with interactions. Interactions replace any transforms that you already have. So, except for the transform origin. So it's best to just leave it as is and then do the stuff inside the interaction. All right. So let's do this. When does it start? So which trigger do I want? So I guess this will trigger itself. So when you get here, yeah. So plane holder. While scrolling in view. Okay. Place animation. Paper plane. I'll just call this 1, and the other one will be 2. Thank you so much, Spencer. Alright, let's do this. So the rotate. So where's 0%? 0, and that's 4. Okay, so 0, rotate, will be there, and then 100% will be. So I guess once you get to the video, your mind should be on the video. So that's when the plane should land inside of... We're going to call this a hangar. So this is when the plane gets back into the hangar. So plane holder, 55% on the keyframe. And there we go. So there you go, you're inside. Oh wait, it should be lower. So somewhere here. 62. And then here it should be 0. Cool, let's play it. Oh, it's moving too fast. Alright, we need to start it. Start at 20. That's so cool. Oh, that one's not gonna move because I'm not previewing it. Oh, that's so cool. Luke, you rock. Oh wait, let's push this back a bit more. Yeah, let's start right there. And let's start the opacity at 0 here. Oh wait, and 0 here. And what do we want to do? Let's go right about 24. Let's set the opacity 100. Let's see what happens. I think it should be opacity and moving at the same time. So let's do this. Does that happen too fast? Well, if you scroll slow. Let's say 30. Okay, I'm feeling that. What do you guys think? Let's try it. It's in my head. Yeah. Oh yeah. Shoot. Man. That's nuts. Let's go. Yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad. We did a couple of interactions and it's so much fun to do stuff like this. Okay, this one had the easing. I need to fix it. This one doesn't. I think it looks better without easing, in my opinion, because scrolling is very linear. What do you think? Should I add easing to all these things? Yeah, there you go. Boop, boop. Yeah. Still need to watch your Apple walkthrough. Yeah, it was kind of like I just did clip masking on the Apple one and more parallax scrolling stuff like this. But man, scrolling animations are so much fun. Because like again, you can just do so much crazy things. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so that's it. And so there's how to like take something and just add a little bit more flavor to it. Okay? And again, don't Michael Bay your stuff. Everything needs a point. Like, you can add even more animations to this. Like, he can slide in from the left going to the right. You know? Because it's kind of those things where it's just building on top of each other. These things could be like moving and they're constantly moving, and it's a looping animation, but it's going like this but more subtle and slow, you know, like that. These boxes, so they're kind of floating. This laptop, if you can make it open with, you know, 3D shapes inside of Webflow. There's so many things you can do, but again, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't overdo it. Yeah. Anything else you guys want to see really quickly done inside of Webflow before I sign off for the night? Yeah. This might be another live stream, but how about the Apple Watch Series 4 page? Let's check it out. Apple.com. Yeah, so I'm not really a big iPhone fan anymore. I'm not a big Apple fan. I just use the laptop because it works and it's like the standard now. But their gadgets, the last iPhone I had was iPhone 4S. And I wanted it because I wanted Siri. I tried Siri and I was immediately sad. I was like, I want an assistant to do cool things. Come on. And then I saw the Google Assistant, and then I saw it was like Google Now or something, and then the Google Maps was better, and then there's just so many things that were better. And I was like, oh my god, I want Android, and so I went to Android and never looked back. As far as the Apple Watch goes, yeah, I think it's really cool, but is this the page you want me? Okay, so that's a video. I can't really redo that. Ooh. I can quickly do that interaction. That's really cool. So once I get to 100%, oh no, it's even more. Huh. Okay. Oh, good night, Michael. Oh yeah, and the reason why Siri wasn't really good when it first came out was because it was using Bing. So I think this is the interaction you're looking for, how everything like kind of blows up, like it Okay. How do we do that? So let me break it down in my head. Obviously these are background videos. Okay? Professionally shot. Look at the lighting. It's so nice. Apple always does it well when it comes to like photography. Anyways, let me think. It's a masking effect. Oh, overflow hidden. And then you're just making it bigger in some way. Can you play with padding? Is my guess. Can you play with padding inside of interactions? Maybe. Let me just press a plus sign real quick. Not in scroll. I thought you can play with padding. Hold on. Let me just play with that one. And let's say a hover. Action, start. Sure, why not? You can't play with padding. You can only play with size. Okay, so can't be that, because my thought was a scrolling interaction where you have the outer element set a padding of like 50 or 150 on all sides, and then as you scroll down it goes to 0. So that was my first thought. Since I can't do that, gotta think harder. I'm guessing the width. Yep, got it. The width and height of this inner div starts with something like 80% height and 80% width, and then it grows to 100%. Okay, based on the scroll. And the outer wrapper is the one with the video or the image, and that will have. Yeah, got it. Done. Let's go. Let's do it. Good challenge. Thank you so much, Steven. Let's do it. Let me make a new page real quick on this one. Create, and here we go. So we're gonna have a section right here. We're just gonna quickly do stuff. We'll say 100 VH. This one will be a background color. So this is just for nothing. This is just so I can start scrolling down. scroll down for Apple Watch effect. Okay, so we're done there. So let's copy paste this section. There we go. So we're gonna have to scroll down. Cool beans. All right, so this is duplicate in section 2, and let's delete this. Okay, so this won't have a color, but it'll have a background, and so you can make a background video. You can. Oh wait, we have a video. It's on that other thing. Oh, but it's playing too much, and it's nope. It's gonna my processor. Okay, we'll just use a static background image. No video. Whoa, we're not doing that. What do you got here? You have this one? Sure, we'll take this one. Dang, that's huge. Boom. Okay. So let's just do an overlay so you know where you're at. We'll say blue. Cool. All right. Now, hold on. In my head. Maybe. Oh wait, I got it wrong. This is the thing. It's supposed to be fixed. Fixed and okay, so this is not the thing with okay. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Figure this out in my head. Okay, so this one right here, the width will start at 80% and the height as well. A little bit larger. Start at 90. Okay, cool. And then this one will be the thing. Give me some. Cool. And this is cover fixed. Okay, so just fixed, yeah. Center it. Okay, so we start there. And overflow is... Oh, we don't have to do overflow hidden because it's just a background. Okay, got it. But if you were doing a... If you're doing a video... Yeah, if you're doing a video, you would need overflow hidden or something like that. Because it would be an element inside of this. Yeah. Okay, got it. And then, yeah, so as you scroll down, it, oh wait, this is not fixed. Oh, I think I need to get a video just to make it more real. Good challenge. Good challenge. Ugh, love it. Here we go. Pick one. Pick one. Oh, beach? Animals. That was a cute. Oh, that's Shutterstock. Look at how cute that is. Yes. If you don't know where to get awesome videos like this, cover coverr.co. Lulu Latte. Cool. Alright. Let's do this for real. Let's get a video in here. Delete this. I wanna make this work. Background video. Throw it in there. Upload. Will this work? I don't know. Where's Lulu? Wait, do I have to... Oh, okay, I have to go on my desktop. Desktop. Lulu. Alejandro, what's up? Okay, let that transcode. I'm trying to do this right now, Alejandro. And I thought it was easy. But it's not. And I like it. Oh, they're using the position sticky too. Ugh. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to make this thing grow like this. Oh, those tricksy hobbitses. You game at all, Nelson. Just assume everyone with the PC does. Before I had a kid, I used to game, and now, I can't. I stopped gaming after Fortnite. So I used to game, and my last game was Fortnite. But then every month or so, I'm putting $20 for skins and gliders and axes and V-Bucks. And it got to the point I'm looking at myself like, putting money and time into this game is not helping your daughter. Fix yourself. So I felt really bad. I was like, okay, I gotta be more productive with my time, you know? And so I said, you know what? I want to stream more because at Webflow, we lessen the stream from every week to every other week, and I'm like, but I love streaming, and so I replaced gaming with streaming, and that's why I'm here. And it doesn't cost me anything, and I still get to learn, and I still get to be productive, and web design is kind of like a game to me. But when I go to the Webflow headquarters or a friend's house or something like that, I'm like, yeah, let's game. Let's go. So, yeah. I want to play more, but family first. Yeah. And when Nova gets older, I will teach her how to play video games, and we will have father-daughter time playing video games, and there we go. Yes. So, hello, Lulu. Cute dog. Okay. How do we do this? I want to learn. I want to learn with you. Overflow hidden, background video. Let's go. There has to be a way. So it's right now 100%. Can I go 100 V8 or VW? Survey says yes. Can I go 100 VH? Survey says yes. And I'm going to set this one to relative and this background video to position, and like, oh, the masking ends. So you do need to do code with it. No, I don't want to do code with it. I know how to do it in my head with code, but I'm like, no, I don't want to. Don't make me. Okay, hold on. I think I'm getting somewhere. What if I do 0 VW? Is that a thing? No? Wait. Oh, wait. Right there. Okay. I got it. So let's do V8, negative 5 VH. I want to get it to the top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man. Epic turned a free game into $300 million a month of money. Yeah, dude. And then the whole Clifford thing, the guy who was with Epic, man, sad story. I don't know the full story, but it's like I follow him on Twitter, and I'm like, oh, what happened? Anyways, okay, so we're good here. Now, I want to set my trigger to section 2. Oh, this is gonna work. I see it in my head. Let's go. Scrolling into view, play scroll, video. Alright, let's select this one right here. I hope it works. Oh, what happened to my trigger? There you are. Video. And now I gotta go selective block 7. And let's not scale, but size. Yes. So the width is, I think it was like 90%. And then the width here will be 100%. Oh man, why is the thing Okay, okay. I think it's because I need to move. Won't that look jank? We'll see. I need to move the background video at the same time. So yeah, this is a hacky way of what Apple is doing. Because again, it's not with code, so 80% on the height. 100% on the height. Yeah. So far, not happy. Oh, I really thought. Whoops, excuse me. I really thought. Oh, darn it. Alright, let's go on the move. And so it was like night. Wait, how come? Oh, I'm so confused right now. Why do you end right here? Hold on, I need to style this real quick. So background video is, yeah. Okay. Why do you do the things? Oh. Can you explain that to me? I'm at 0 here, but on style panel I'm at -5. Oh. Because I'm using this position. I'm not using the transform. Got it. Okay. Let's go back. I got this. Ain't no thing. Chicken wing on string. Okay, so why does it move up? Is it because the div block moves up? So we'll move this. So it's not the X I have to worry about, huh? It's the Y. So I think it was, let's go 0 VW. And then here 0 V, oh no, VH. VH. So it's VW as well. I mean on the X too. So this should be 5 VW. Okay. Then 5 VW. But see how it moves? But the video didn't move. Oh, it did. Oh, whatever. Alright. Will this work? Survey says yes. Throw it down a little bit further. Got another one. Doesn't look janky at all. Sweet. Good girl, Lulu. Good girl. Yeah, coffee's bad for you. You don't want any caffeine because it'll ruin you. I'm talking to a dog. I drink caffeine all the time. There you go, Steven. Thank you for the challenge. That was a good one. So yeah, these interactions and stuff that have nothing to, like this one right here that has nothing to do with Time Hero. I'll put in another project. I'll publish it, let you guys clone it, so you can make your own Apple Watch Series 4 landing page. Yeah, Spencer, I'll let you copy it, but I have to do the cross-site copy paste, so it's not inside of the Time Hero project. All right, cool. That was fun. That was totally fun. Thank you guys so much. Fix yourself. There we go. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hey, you know what? I'm feeling... Oh, here we go. Alejandro, quick general Webflow question. Sure. As I'm ready to build my portfolio, already have the design in Sketch. Do I have to worry about cross-browser compatibility? See? This is the cool thing about Webflow. No, you don't. Because Webflow adds all the prefixes for Mozilla, Safari, Mozilla WebKit and Edge. Yeah, Microsoft Edge. So you're good to go. We handle all that cross-browser and cross-device compatibility for you. As long as people who are using IE 11 are not looking at your site, you should be good to go. So yeah, good question. Thank you guys so much for being here on the stream. Hey, you know what? Feeling generous. If you want a Webflow shirt, hit me up. I can tell the office to send you one. DM me. My Twitter handle is @thepixelgeek. I will make sure that the team sends you a shirt and some stickers too. Alright. And speaking of shirts and stickers and whatnot, again, my wife is preparing to do her first stream on her business's YouTube channel. She runs a boutique agency with her business partner named The Calic Appeal, and the first project she's going to start on is my rebrand. So she's rebranding me. I told her that I hate my logo, and I really want something done professionally, because I am not a classically trained graphic designer. I don't have those skills, but she does, and she started sketching some stuff, and she'll be ready to stream probably next week. And once she's done with that, she's going to work on my shirts, and then I'm going to give some of those shirts away to you guys. So, and it's going to say, like, make the web beautiful in some cool way. I have no ideas. Like, yeah, that kind of stuff is beyond me. I can do interactions all day and have fun, but I can't just sketch in a book. That's not me. But yeah, so I want to give you guys shirts, for Webflow shirts or make the web beautiful shirts. So thank you guys so much. Just contact me at my Twitter handle. This stream happens every other day. I try to. I'll try Sunday. I'm not sure. I'm not going to guarantee it, but if I am going to do it, I'll tweet it out and let you guys know what time. But I think that's about it. Had so much fun. Oh yeah, got to do the YouTube thing, right? If you want to leave a comment, leave it below. Description will have links to the clonable projects. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now and tickle that bell. And as always, make the I don't have my playing me out songs. It's not as pro. See, I'm not a pro streamer. I can't be like Kit Boga or whatever. Your Satellite Love. This one is playing. There we go. Alright, so like I said, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.